Did you know that laxative smoothies are a great option for treating constipation? It certainly has happened to you at some point in your life. It usually happens during travels, periods of high stress, and the main reason, to which few people pay attention, the lack of fiber ingested during your daily life. A laxative smoothie is a natural way of preventing constipation and making your intestine work naturally. These smoothies are loaded with fiber, vitamins and minerals, and they are also high in water, which helps to keep our body well hydrated. Besides helping your intestine work, these smoothies can also help you lose weight since they improve the intestinal transit and body functioning. Isn't it amazing? Do you want to learn 4 easy and quick recipes to make when your intestine doesn't want to work? Papaya, plum and oat smoothie. Papaya and plum are rich in water and fiber, and both are well known for helping intestinal functioning. Oats are rich in fiber and help the intestine work. Write down the ingredients. 1/2 papaya. 1 plum. 1 glass 6.75 ounces, milk. 1 tablespoon rolled oats. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Drink right away, without straining. Grape and ginger smoothie. The grapes help because they contain fiber, which contributes to the digestive process and has a laxative effect. Besides that, grapes also contribute to nutrient absorption and help eliminate toxins and free radicals that can worsen constipation. Wonderful, isn't it? To make this smoothie, you will need fresh black grapes, a small piece 0.8 of ginger and 1 cup of water. To make it, combine the grapes, ginger and water in a blender. Blend until smooth and drink without straining. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps the channel. Orange, papaya, and flaxseed smoothie. Combining the powers of flaxseed, orange, and papaya is great for our bodies because they all have fiber. Besides that, they also help improve intestinal transit and reduce the bloating. Write down the ingredients. 6.75 ounces. Natural orange juice. 1 cup papaya. 1 dessert spoon flaxseed. 5 ice cubes. Mix the flaxseed with some of the orange juice and use a wand mixer or blender to mix until the flaxseed dissolves. After that, combine the remaining ingredients. Pear and lemon smoothie. Pears are rich in fibers and have almost double the amount of sorbitol, which eases evacuation, than prunes. Did you know that? To make this smoothie, you will need 2 seedless pears and the juice of half a lemon. Dice the pears and put them in a blender. Add the lemon juice and blend. Did you already know any of these natural smoothies to end constipation? These smoothies can be consumed daily and even by babies and children, although in lesser amounts as to not cause diarrhea. Try them and share your experience with us.